Okay, good afternoon, friends. It is exactly 4:05. I am starting the meet. Once again, welcome you all for this interactive session. And I think most of them have joined now. Okay. Now, before we just start our discussion, one or two announcements. And today you might have received the assignment, and you will be having only two more assignments. Today you received assignment number 7. I hope you will be having only two more assignments, and by Friday your assignment number 9 will be over, and you have to submit all your 9 assignments to get the e-certificate. But we will be giving you time till next week to submit your assignment. Mr. Narak sir, please close your video. Thank you. Okay. Now, if you have any difficulty, you can call at any time while you are submitting your assignment, and hope that some of you are submitting your assignment in time. Okay. Well, as usual, on Friday, we may plan for a validatory function. Therefore, let us just plan for it. The validatory function will be, time will be announced maybe in the morning. If it is, it may be on Friday or it may be on Saturday, based on the availability. But okay. Now, for that, in that validatory function, normally our directors are Deputy Commissioners are and Deputy Commissioner Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan RO Raipur may attend. Normally, if they are free, they will attend, both of them. Okay, in that we want some of you to give your impressions about the course, how you felt it, then what you want improvements in the course, and what are the difficulties you faced. I want a maximum 4 participants, because we don't want to extend that validatory function too long. It will be around 20 to 25 minutes only. Or can I get some names from the participants so that you are ready to give your impressions on Friday? I will note down the names. I need 4 names. Please unmute your mic and then you can tell your name. Validatory function on Friday, you have to give your impressions. Please. Anybody is ready? You are not able to hear me? Any of the participant is ready? Give your impression on Friday. You are not able to hear me. I want some teachers to give your impression at the validatory function on Friday.
Good evening, sir.
I think Neha. Miss
Yes,
Neha?
sir.
Okay. From which school, madam?
Yes, sir. KV number 1, Raipur, shift 1.
Sir, Preeti Manish, KV
One minute, madam,
number.
1 minute. I will note down her name.
Okay, sir. Okay.
1 minute. Neha with PRT.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
My pleasure, sir. We have
Okay.
learned a lot. We must do
Okay.
something new.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Next, anybody? I think Preeti.
Yes, yes, sir. Preeti Manish.
Preeti Manish from which school? Same school.
KV number. Yeah, sir. Same school, PGT.
PGT English from number 1 Raipur. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Any other, please? So Vijayendra Pratap Singh, you can unmute your camera. Any other teacher wants to give your impressions? Somebody joining. Okay, I think I received two names for giving impressions on that day. That is day after tomorrow. I will give you the timings. I think we will see that whether both the deputy commissioners are available on that day. Okay, they will be addressing you and they want to meet you actually, but they are very busy. They are not able to come even for today meet also. Any other teacher who is interested to give impression so that we can move on to our discussions? Okay, well, no issue. Okay, once again, welcome friends. I think today I received in the morning that some of you are facing some problem with H5P. You see, the main problem with that is actually even I was not knowing it. When I opened it, all of you are telling that some of the options is not available. But remember, this H5P is a free open software. Therefore, they might have disabled some of them for maintenance work. Sometimes we don't know whether they are going to remove it or whether they are going to give us back. Okay, now, but remember that I'm going to give you, I think some of you are talking about that interactive video. They are not able to make that interactive video. Now I will show you how you have to make the interactive video. It is available in H5P. It is available in H5P, but it is not available as interactive video directly. Shall I go for it? Is there anybody who wants to tell something so that I am going for the presentation mode? I'm going to the presentation mode now. Anybody wants to say something? Well, okay, now I will show you where it is. Okay. Now this is actually H5P front page. All of you know that whenever you open that H5P org, it is actually coming. You're okay. This is the first page of H5P. But remember, when I was making the video, most of them were available. Sometimes it is available, sometimes they are removing it, and they are making some changes in that, and they are once again they are putting it. Okay. Now, remember, this h5p.org is free. h5p.com. I'll just show that also for you. Okay. This is h5p.com. Remember, this h5p.com is not free. You are seeing here, sign up for 30-day free trial, and you can go for how many money you have to pay. It will be there when you do the sign up. Okay, when you do the sign up, you can have it. But remember, this h5p.com is highly useful for learning management systems like Moodle and Drupal. There are so many learning management system. With that, you can pin it up. Okay, even anybody is having WordPress, I don't know. Some of you may be having a WordPress account. You can mingle it with WordPress also. Okay, well, now I'm just closing it. It is very clearly written here, integrate. You see, it is very clearly given that. Integrate again the LMS of your choice. Through LTI, you can track result directly. Canvas, Blackboard, Brightspace, among others are supported. Okay, Canvas is one of the learning management system. Blackboard is one of them. Brightspace is one of them. Remember, most of them are not free. Some of them are free. Some of them are not free in LMS. Learning management system. Okay, I'm closing it. Okay, I am logging it now. All of you know that you have done login. Already I have logged in, but it is just coming now. Okay, now 1 minute. Okay, all right. Somebody is once again coming. Well, 1 minute. Okay, okay. Now you see here I have made some contents earlier. And here Quiz Interactive I have made. At that time, Quiz Interactive was available. When I open it, you see Quiz Interactive is coming. It is opening now. It is coming now. For me, it is coming. I have made it, therefore it is coming now. Who is presenting? Mr. Shailesh Benjamin. Stop presenting, please. Mr. Shailesh Benjamin. Mr. Shailesh. Stop presenting. Mr. Shailesh. Okay, once again friends, I think you can very well see here whatever the video interactive which I used, it is working now. Okay, now the question with some of you is, I'm just coming out of it. The question posed by some of you is, suppose if you go to this content, if you go to create new content, you are seeing only these 7. Is it okay? I think all of you are telling that you are seeing only these 7. Whatever I have showed you in your video, you are not able to see it. Remember, it has been temporarily removed, or we don't know what it is. Okay. Now I will just answer your question one after the other. Somebody asked me how to go for the video, interactive video, how to make it. Please do one thing. Go to this course presentation. All of you are seeing here. First course presentation. You see, I think you can have it as A to Z. Into course presentation will be in the second one. The newest when you have, then it will go to the last but one. Okay, now let me go to this A to Z or whatever maybe, or popular first, whichever maybe. Okay, this course presentation, you see what happening is, this course presentation is highly interesting. I think this is actually I am doing it in the next video. That is, you will get this course presentation only in the next video. That is maybe the next lesson for tomorrow. Maybe for tomorrow, not for today. But anyway, we have no other way out. We have to see this interactive video. For that, I am opening this. This course presentation, you give you a title to it. If, for example, I will give demo. Okay. Now in that, I am going to make, so many can be made. You see here, I can make a video. I can make fill in the blanks. I can make multiple choice. I can make true or false. I can make summary. I can make continuous text. I can make exportable text area. I can make table. These are the things I can make. You know what is the meaning of course presentation? I am going to present something to you where I will show you something, then I will ask question. Again, I will show you something, I will ask question. It is happening in the classroom also. Normally, we will show something to a child and then we will ask questions based on that. Therefore, here in the using the text, you will be showing some material to them. Using this filling the blanks, you will ask questions. Again, using this text, you will explain something. And again, you will ask a true or false question. Again, through this link, for example, a link may be a video, or it may be a YouTube video or video which you have made. Then you will ask a question of summary. Then again, you will show them some shapes. Again, you will ask question like that. Okay. This is called a course presentation. Remember, friends, this course presentation, actually, it is there in the next lesson. But I am just showing you now itself. Now, you go for the course presentation. In that, we will make only one. That is interactive video. Click this video. Hello? Okay. You click this video. What happened with Vijayendra Pratap Singh? Want to tell something?
Yes, sir.
What? कुछ बताना है? ठीक है, चलो. Okay. Now in that you see, just like your that video interaction, when you see, you can have a video. You can have a video of 16 MB. Okay. Now upload it. Then you follow the steps which I have told you how to insert questions. Is it okay now? Therefore, for video interaction, if that facility or that option is not available in H5P. It may be removed or it may be moved or something. We don't know what it is. Or maybe for upgrading it, they might have removed it for the time being. Therefore, those who want to make the video interaction, that assignment, please go to this course presentation. In that course presentation, I repeat once again, go to this create new content. Go to this course presentation, give a name to it, then take this video and you continue. Same thing, you know how to do it. I think you have to add a file and please go through the video which is there for making interactive video. You make it, save it. What you do is now you upload this file, that maybe that URL of this file, that will be more than enough. Any other doubt? Any other doubt? You can ask now. I wish to repeat once again. Some of you are telling that interactive video is not available in the new content. Recently, it is not available now. Go to this course presentation, give a name to it. Maybe you can give a name to it as interactive video. Only make an interactive video and save it. That's all. You present it as an assignment. Finish. But remember that the video should not go beyond 16 MB. 16 MB means the video should be of maximum 2 minutes or maximum 3 minutes, so that it will be of 16 MB. You make a very small video and ask 2 questions in that. It's only for practice. If you want to have more, if you want to upload a video of very huge one, then you have to pay for it. Okay, well, any other doubt, please? Quick, please. Any other doubt? Okay, suppose if for some of you are telling that drag the word is not there, in the place of drag the word, I'm telling you, you just make any of them, maybe multiple choice or filling the blanks, and you make use of it, because the drag the word is, once again, it is there inside the course presentation. It is there in that course presentation. Sir, any other doubt, please ask. All of you are able to hear me? Yes, any doubt?
So what about mark the words?
That is what I'm telling, madam. For the mark the word, you make use of fill in the blanks. Instead of that, you use the fill in the blanks.
Okay.
Because actually what really happened is, I'm telling you that mark the word may be having some problem with the Java or something. That is why they might have removed and they will add it. For this week, it may not be available. Why to take risk? Instead of that, you make fill in the blanks. So many are available. Fill in the blanks or multiple choice. Anything you make and then upload it. I will accept it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Because the drag the word is highly interesting. Actually, it is there inside that course content. They might have thought that it is available in course content. Why to give it separately? Maybe drag the word is there in course content. Instead of that, you make fill in the blanks or true or false, whatever may be, and then upload it. I will accept, no issue. I don't think next week it may get once again activated. We don't know. Any other doubt, please? Any other doubt? I think I didn't receive any. See, I am unable to understand how to upload the video. I think who is Deepthi? Is it Deepthi available? Deepthi available? She has asked a question from number 1 Raipur. Deepthi Mahamalla. Are you available, madam? Well, I think she has asked a question. I am unable to understand how I upload the video. I don't know what she is asking. If she is there, please unmute your mic and then ask the question, please. Deepthi?
No, sir, madam is not here on the list.
Yes, I also saw it now. Because she has asked a question, I don't know what is the meaning of it. I am unable to understand how I upload the video.
Sir, maybe she wanted to say the previously just you have told us na to go for course presentation and do the to upload the video. Maybe she was also facing the same problem.
Where?
So just few minutes back, you told us to go to course presentation, and there we can upload our videos. Maybe she was asking about that
Oh,
only.
that
Maybe she.
plus sign is there, na? That plus sign is there. You want to show me once
Yeah,
again?
yeah,
I will show you once again. No issue.
yeah. Okay.
Okay, in that post presentation, you are opening and you are giving the name as a demo. Okay. And in that, there are so many options are there. You can give a link. You see, remember the course presentation are you seeing here one by one. The meaning is it can have any number of pages. You know what is the meaning of it? Again, I repeat, it is just like a course. For example, I am conducting a course to you, which contains some chapters. First chapter, I will give you an introduction, then I will ask question. Again, I will give some video, then I will ask a question. Okay, like that, it will be so many pages can be added. You see, add new slide, clone the slide, slide background, move slide left, move slide right, delete slide. All are called slide actually. Okay, well, now here you see the video is there. You click the video. Now again, it will ask the name of the video. Again, I will write it as a demo video. Okay, now in that plus sign, you have to click. That's all, simple. To ensure that the video works in all browsers, you add both WM and MP4 format sources. H5PRP has limited file size on upload to 16 MB. To use larger file, you must use h5p.com. I think already I told you. Simply click it. It will ask you either you want to upload the file or paste the YouTube link. Both are allowed here. Suppose for both of them 16 MB is the maximum size allowed. Upload the video. When you click it, it will ask which video you want to upload from your computer. I think I'm having so many videos. For example, I'm having these videos. From this video, I can take one of them and I can upload it. Very simple. Then upload the video. Then you go through that the idea which I gave you. Then after uploading the video, how to insert questions in that. Automatically it will come. You see the video, you can learn it. Okay. Actually, remember in that upload, in the interactive video, whatever the template comes, it is coming here only. They have just to put it in the course video also. Okay. Any other doubt? Any other doubt, please?
Good afternoon, sir.
I think Shivani.
Hello.
Yes, madam. Shivani, madam. Boliye.
Reena, sir. Reena, sir. My name is
Okay,
Reena.
okay. Shivani, madam is also okay. It is Reena. Reena Devi.
Reena.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Boliye, madam, please.
Sir, actually, sir, in Google Form, we can, in response, we can check the score of students.
Definitely.
But in how can we check the score of students in Hot Potato, sir?
Okay. Now I think in that video also I have explained you. Remember in Hot Potato there was a website called hotpotatoes.net. In that you can check the score. But remember actually whenever something is totally freely available, they will withdraw some of them. Therefore, Hot Potatoes can be used only for practice. Only whenever you can call the child, you can call the child, and in your computer when you do only you can see it. But as you are doing in Google Form, whatever the score they are getting, automatically cannot do it. Automatically is not possible. That was there in hotpotatoes.net. They have removed it. They have withdrawn. As usual, they withdrew 2 years back. I think still they are telling that they are working out. I don't know.
Okay.
But anyway,
only practice work can be possible.
Okay, only practice. But remember that this is a highly interesting thing I'm telling you. Always, whenever you teach, don't think always in examination point of view. Okay, always testing. Don't think like that. Let them learn. Whatever the mistake they do, for example, if they get 0 out of 10 also, let them learn. This idea you should have. But that is actually the meaning of formative assessment. I don't think formative assessment, you should not assess a child. Whatever the mark they have got, simply see it and then go for it. And then try to teach them more. Therefore, these Hot Potatoes, whatever the marks they are getting, only they can see. Suppose the only one thing you can make, in the classroom situation, in your laptop or something, you can ask them to come to your laptop and then ask them to do, and you can note down. But automatically, if you want to do, Google form is the best way, and quiz.com is the best way. Both are there. You are having
Okay,
both.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Both are free.
Okay, sir.
Google
Thank you,
form
sir.
and quiz.com both are free, totally free. But in Hot Potatoes, the only interesting thing about Hot Potato is, suppose whatever the interactive sheet which you are quiz you are making, or crossword you are making, whatever you are making, converting it into HTML for running in a browser is not easy for everybody. You have to do a lot of coding, but that coding is done by it automatically. You are seeing it. You are simply saving it. Automatically it is saved as an HTML file. But for that, lot of coding has to be done. But it is coding is done automatically. But what you can do is, whenever you are taking a class, for example, whenever you are taking a class, you can use this h5p.org. That Mr. Subhash, please mute your video. Okay. Now, what you can do is, after a class is going on, you can simply, after maybe 40 minutes, you can teach for 30 minutes. The remaining 10 minutes, you can send the link of this H5P and then ask them to practice. Remember, once again, H5P, whatever you are doing, that the score they are getting will not get automatically compiled. That will done only in h5p.com. And another, this Hot Potatoes, what you can do is, that file is very, very small. The HTML file is very, very small. It may be in KB. You can send it in their WhatsApp. They can view in their WhatsApp also. That is in their browser. That whatever they are having, their mobile browser, whatever may be the browser, they can see it because it is a HTML file. Well, they will enjoy it. That's all. After the class is over, suppose if they do any mistake, they will come back to you, telling that, Madam, I did this and there was a mistake. Why? Then you can get it clarified. Okay, well.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Reena. Thank you. Anybody else? Any other doubt? Mr. Vijayendra Pratap Singh or Shivani? Shivani, madam, please. Shivani Malik. Yes, Shivani, madam, you want to tell something? Hello? Neelam Tiwari, madam, boliye.
Yes, sir. Sir, I had a problem. Yesterday, I was trying to generate the link through JMasher of all the exercises I have made using Hot Potatoes, but the link was not working.
No, one thing I am telling you that I'm just asking you only to put all HTML file which are having the extension .html. Then I told you that how to identify that also. All the other files of your Hot Potato file will have Hot Potato icon, but HTML file will have your browser icon. You are able to, understand what I am telling? Once again, I repeat.
Yes, sir.
All the files
yes, sir.
of Hot Potatoes will have the Hot Potatoes icon. Okay, but
Okay.
But the file which you are converting it into that HTML file, it will have the browser icon. I will show you now. Immediately I will show you. I have opened it. Okay, I am having some Hot Potato file I am showing you. See, here I have, you are seeing here in the left hand side, all of this. From top to bottom, they are having which is symbol? Can you identify this symbol?
So these are browser symbols. Sir, HTML file.
You may be having this is actually another browser called Microsoft Edge. Some of you may be having any other browser as per whatever you are using. Okay. Even when it is having the browser symbol, it is having HTML. But below that you are seeing based on the color. Based on the color. This is the quiz and some is JPZ. Okay. Most of them are having different symbols. You see, different symbols are there. Now, what I want you to do is you put all these HTML file in a folder. Copy, for example, copy all these HTML file. For example, I am copying. Okay, I will show you. I am copying it. I have copied, and I am putting it in a folder. Okay. Okay. I will put all these files in this folder. Okay. Everything has come now. Now all these HTML file, remember these files are very, very, very small. For example, you see 38 KB, 38 KB, 34 KB. What you do is, I want you to upload this hot potato file, which is having HTML files, the folder in your Google Drive. Simple. Why? Because I want you to share it with your children. Not this file. This file should not be shared with the children. This .jcw, .jmt, .jmx, .jmx should not be shared with the children, because this contains both question and answers. But this hot potato file, which are having the icon of your browser, contains only question paper. Is it okay?
Sir, what I was
Is it
asking
okay?
about is, hello?
Yes? Yes, madam, please.
Sir, what I want to know is there any way out that we can compile all these files and give it in one complete file to the children having different types of questions?
No, madam. You see, these are all HTML file whose links are there. Everything will be separate only.
So we have,
That is why there is a method called Masher. There is a method called Masher.
Yes.
That Masher, what it happens is, it will come one after the other. You see here on the top, you are taking index. When you do the index, you see it's going. See, one after the other, it's coming, na?
Yes,
It is called
sir,
index.
this is where I face the problem. Sir, this link I could not generate yesterday.
No, madam. With the link. No, I am telling
Sir,
you,
this link.
madam. Again, I am repeating. You take this hot potato file, upload it in your Google Drive.
Oh,
Upload
yes,
it in
sir.
your Google Drive. Upload it in your Google Drive. In that, after that, in that Google Drive idea, one, I think it was lesson number 4 or something. There you go and see how to generate a link for it. Simply click it and then go to the share. When you go to the share, then automatically. You don't know how to create a link? Hello?
Sir, that I have done. Sir, hello?
But when you open it, you are not able to see.
No, sir, that is working, completely working.
Okay.
But I want all these files, I want to send children all these files at one place so that they can attempt one type of question and...
Madam, again I am repeating, all the files
Yes,
are,
sir.
whatever the HTML file you are giving, it is only a link. That is why it is not having any, it's not occupying many space.
Okay, sir, okay.
Therefore, you should give them separately only. Now, another, that is why I told you, whenever you are teaching any online class, you can, after the class is over, you can send this HTML file through the WhatsApp to the children, ask them to download, and they can play in their mobile. You try once, either the quiz or crossword, whatever maybe. They can play in their mobile. It works very nicely on the mobile, whatever the browser the mobile is having, it works. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
I think, any other doubt? Deepthi, हो गया. अच्छा, any other? Again, I repeat, suppose if you are not able to get any H5P, the exact file we are not able to make, you make whatever is available and upload. I am ready to accept it. No problem.
Sir, in JMix.
Yes, madam. Lavi, madam, boliye.
Yes, sir. Sir, in JMix, can we are able to add more than one questions at a time?
Where? I can understand.
In JMix, sir, can we?
Yes, you can. But remember, in JMix, actually, you can have a sentence or you can have a word, but both cannot be mixed. But remember that, madam, in JMix, suppose a very big sentence is there, you have given the mixed one, okay? they are going to make a sentence out of it. Suppose if you have more than one sentence, the child will get totally confused because the same word will be coming in both the sentences.
Sir,
They will have confusion, na?
sir, I have a doubt. Like in JMix, I have made the drag and drop exercise,
Okay.
and the spelling of computer is there.
Okay.
I want to add more words there.
Again,
Then
madam,
how it is
that is
possible
why I
to
am
add
telling.
more words?
You can have, but the child will get totally confused. What you do is in that one question after that. Suppose one question is having a sentence, second question will have. You can add questions. There won't be any problem. Yes, you can add questions. You can add questions.
Sir, how can we add it?
It is there, na? It is there, na? Option is there.
Here are 2 options are available.
Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir.
No, that is why I'm telling you. Please, have the question of what do you call? 1 minute. Just opening JMix. Okay.
Yes, sir. Here is main sentence and alternate sentence.
Yes, madam.
Then
That's
I
why I'm
want
telling, madam. You cannot have. That's why again I'm repeating. If you have 2 or more sentences at the same time, definitely the child will have a lot of confusion. Because the same word or same letter will be coming in both, na? Then they will be totally confused. That is why they have given only one main sentence and alternate sentence they have given. They have given only one. Is it okay? That is why they have given like that.
Okay.
That is why they have given like that. To avoid confusion.
It means at a time we can add
Yes,
only
madam.
one sentence
But
either
sentence
or
may be more than one. That you can type one sentence, then full stop, then second sentence you can have. There is no issue in that. For example, you are having your pledge. India is my country, all Indians are my brothers and sisters. Both you can give. No issue. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Both you can give. Continuously in that main sentence, you go on typing it. You can type it, but don't give more. Again, I repeat, the children will get confused. To avoid confusion only. Yes. Any other doubt, please? Any other doubt you can ask? Shivani madam, I think no. Okay, if there is no other doubt, I think we'll. Mr. Minj, please mute your camera. Okay, now once again, I just compile whatever we have just seen today. Because for those who came late, in H5P, I think some of you are facing problem in interactive video. I have explained it. You go to the course presentation. In that course presentation, there is an option for interactive video, make it. Okay. Suppose if you are not able to make the drag the word, in that place, you make a fill in the blanks or true or false, and then you upload it. I am ready to accept it. Because H5P, for the time being, they have disabled 1 or 2 options. We don't know why they have done it. Is it okay? Okay. Another thing is there, maybe day after tomorrow, we may be having, I don't know, it's only tentatively fixed. We will be having our validatory function. And I think 2 madams have given their names for giving their impression. Is there anybody who want to give impression? Because Neha and Preeti madam has given their consent to give their impression. Is there any other teacher wants to give impression on that day? You have to give what you feel, then how was the course, then what are the difficulties you faced, and you can give your tips also how to improve the course. Mr. Minj, please mute your camera. Not able to do. Anybody who wants to give their name? Okay, if there is Shivani Malik, you are asking some question. Is there any blackboard facility? What do you want it? I don't know. I can't understand. Shivani madam, you are there? You are asking, is there any blackboard facility? What do you mean by that? I can't understand. Can you please explain? Shivani? Shivani Malik? Yes, please. In the chat box you have typed, is there any blackboard facility? I can't understand what is it. Will you please elaborate on that? Shivani madam? Acha, you are talking about that H5P. You are seeing that blackboard. Remember that is one of the LMS. Blackboard is an LMS. Blackboard is an LMS, learning management system. So I will show you. Madam wants to know what is it actually. I will show you for you. There are so many learning management system. Remember, I think you should know actually what is the meaning of the learning management system. You see in the classroom, what actually we are doing, we are teaching and then we are doing assessment. Okay. Learning management system, what it does is, it does all the things. That is, give them material and you can interact with them. Maybe online, totally online. Look, you see, this is a Blackboard teaching and learning management system. Is it okay? You are seeing it. But remember, once again, it is not free. It is not free. No learning management is free except Google Classroom. Google Classroom is also a type of learning management system. I think I am happy to know that all the teachers of Raipur region, you have started using G Suite. In that G Suite, you are using that Google Classroom to give material to the children. And I think, I don't know whether you are giving material. You can give material to the children and you can ask them to upload their work and you can do their assessment and you can give them marks and everything. Okay, that is called learning management system. Okay, Blackboard is a learning management system. And you can try it also, but it's not free. I think your question is answered, I hope. Your question is answered. Shivani, I think she's not able to talk. Some problem with her mic, I think. Okay, well, Shivani madam, thank you. I think this is so many are there. LMS are so many are there. Moodle, then Drupal, and I think some of the teachers of your Raipur region, they are being trained in Bodhi Tree also. That is also a learning management system. There are so many are there. Some are free, some are not free. Okay, well friends, I think we will call it a day as there is no other query. And one more question I want to ask, is there anybody who wants to give impression on the Friday? Can I add any other names? Otherwise, we will just close for today.
So thank you, sir.
Now you are able to talk. Very good, Shivani. I think you have some problem with your mic, I hope. Okay, thank you, Shivani. Anybody who wants to give impression, I think on the day also you can tell me, sir, I'm ready to give impression and your name will be called. There won't be any issue. Okay, thank you, friends. Please keep learning. And whatever we are giving you, it is only a curtain raiser. Already told you. Our aim is to make your online teaching interesting so that the child also will learn and the child also will enjoy learning with you. Any doubt, you can call at any time. I am always available. I will try my level best to answer all your doubts, but some technical points are beyond our control. Just we had in H5P, some of the features are actually disabled. It may happen sometime, but don't worry. Whatever available in H5P, it is more than enough for us. All the 7, we can use it effectively. Okay, well, friends, I think if there is nothing to add, I am calling it a day. I think I will give you 2 more minutes. Anybody wants to add something, you can add. Otherwise, I am stopping. Okay. Thank you, friends. I think nothing to add. Keep learning. Any doubt you can ask us anytime. And in H5P, you will be having one more question assignment. And the last one will be on YouTube videos and making a blogger. You are going to make a blog in your name. All your content can be put into the blog and you can share it with the children. Okay. Thank you, friends.
Thank you, sir.